Hey guys, in this video we are going to try the latest version of WASender software. So this is 5.0.4 version that was updated on 4th of March 2026. So let's go to the download link and download the software from here. So after downloading, you will get the software from here. And we have to click on more info and click on run anyway. It will take some time and you have to click yes. Now our software has been installed. You can go to this Windows and click on WASender. Since we already had license activated in our older version, so we don't have to enter a new license over here. As you can see, we have the 5.0.4 version over here, and this is the interface of the software. You have other features in the software, and these are those other features. We can add the numbers over here. You can also upload an Excel sheet if you want. So for now we are not doing that, and we will just enter a message like hi. You can add any message as you want. We will add an attachment because in earlier version the attachment was not working, so it is fixed over here. So I'm just adding one. Maybe let's choose this image and let's increase the delay maybe, and let's start the campaign. Let's name this as test and click on start now. And then you can click on click on initiate. Now you click on start. As you can see, the messages are sent. Let's go to our WhatsApp and see if the messages are sent. As you can see that the image and the message both are sent, and this is how you can check them. Okay, so everything is working fine. So yeah, this was the tutorial of this software. So if you want, you can buy the software from our website. You will find the link in the description, or you can just get it from there and you can just buy this. Thank you for watching this video.